Hi, I am Senidura Vihar, representing the CodeDev team. We are here to present our web application Hackathon Plus, designed to help universities host hackathon competitions. We were inspired by the already available platform HackerRank, and we tried to reduce the steps, complexities, and provide more flexible coding ground. At one point, we decided to use our own platform for holding DSA related coding competitions without relying on already available platforms. We have more confidence to use our own application and we have full control over it. Additionally, we can customize the coding language. For here, we added Ballerina as well, so parties can use Ballerina to code their solutions. So our app can create a contest, add challenges to them and with admins, and users can participate in contest and submit their challenges after running the code in the application. Yes, we build our own secure code execution engine for running the codes. By looking at the architecture of this application, we use client server architecture with one service but divide into separate modules. The application mainly has three parts: front end, back end, and code execution engine. In separate modules, in the backend, we design our own database migration system with SQLite, authentication system with JWT, and code analysis module and API endpoints as well. We designed our own code execution engine with Docker and Ubuntu, which makes virtual environment to safely execute codes. And we have flexibility to add any language as we need. In front end, we use Next.js, which has features to run the code and code with Monco editor library, which is also used in VS Code like applications. So now let's look at the home page. Here's our front end, which use dark theme with modern UI components. To proceed, we have to log in. First, let's use admin credentials. And here you can see the nav bar that admins can navigate. First, let's create a challenge into our challenge pool. We need to add title, description, and information about the challenge. Then we need to define the code template, which defines what users see in the code editor, and as well there are some parts that are not visible to users. Those templates help to create codes by merging test cases. Then we need to add test cases, which can be visible or hidden. After creating the challenge pool, we have to create the contest. It also have information about the contest and what challenges from the challenge pool are used for the contest. Editor. Okay. Then we can look as delegates. So delegates can only see the contest on the navigation bar. In here, delegates can see available contest, active ones, finished one, and in finished contest we can see the results. When we go to the upcoming challenges, we can show countdown. And then it's after registering the contest, it automatically comes to the participate page, which shows the challenges bound to the contest. We can solve them. When we click solve button, we can see the code editor with the instruction about the challenge. We can select a language, run codes and submit solutions. We can create run button to run codes, and after passing the test cases we can submit our answer. Like that, we can solve all challenges bounded to the contest, and then it shows the result, and after the contest end we can see our place. That's all about our Hackathon Plus application. What we achieved here is successfully built a complete platform that gives universities to full control over their coding competitions. Our source code execution engine ensures safe code running, and our multi-language support including Ballerina makes it unique. Technical highlights demonstrate that Ballerina can be used to build production-ready application with complex features like code execution, authentication, and database management. Our modular architecture makes the system maintained and scalable. This platform can be extended for various types of programming competitions, and universities can customize it according to their specific needs. We believe This will help universities organize better coding competitions and provide students with modern learning experience. Thank you for your attention.